Welding galvanized metal, it's a little tricky. If you're not careful, you'll burn the metal itself. It will ignite on you, and it will be like pretty much like a thing that you'll see burning. As you see, it has this coat on it that's what's burned in. If this thing burns through, there's no way to fix it. There's no coming back from that. What I like to do, I start off on the metal. I don't even point the fitting wire onto the galvanized. I just let the puddle build, and that puddle will reach out to the metal, and then that's when both metals will, bond together. So this is a 3/16 metal, which, and it's steel. It requires way more power. If you're not careful, it will melt just right in front of your eyes. I make the bolts a little bit loose so I can play with it a little bit, and I'm using this to open a little bit the bottom so I can put the 5-foot piece of metal on the bottom the way I did it on the other side. You gotta find yourself a helper using the clamps. It's kind of hard when you only have 2 hands. This is what I love about working at Bay Maples, and it's challenging. Whatever you do once stop being challenging, it's time to move on. Where I was working before, I almost feel that I was doing it with my eyes closed.